Hello guys.
Yeah, good morning everybody. What I'm doing is trimming these hedge bushes, what I call hedge bushes here. And that. And what we do is we trim them off at an angle like this. Take the leaves off the bottom here. Oh, probably up to about there. And then shove it in the ground, and this will continue to grow. It'll form roots here and will continue to grow. And Beth wants these row of hedges here out on the road where we cleaned everything up. So I'm going to do a little bit of trimming here.
Yeah, this is a hibiscus flower. Lower. Because this kind of plants, they grow easily.
Yeah, once these start growing, oh man, they get out of hand real quick. And that way, when Doro gets here this morning, they can start planting these.
Oh, lower the island, that's very young.
Yeah, let me get over here.
It should be a hard stem, so it won't rot when you stick. There. Nice.
Yeah, let's get.
I like the color red.
Yeah, they've got some beautiful flowers on them and really look nice.
That one, cut that. The big stem. We have so many here to cut.
Yeah, those will be the good ones for planting.
More,
and,
daily.
The rest of this I'll just trim.
This flower is nice too.
I'll just trim these back a little bit.
Very nice.
And they grow quite profusely here, and especially with all the rain we've had. That
Here, they lower daily.
Oh, I don't know if I want to cut that low, should we?
That's the good stuff. The right one. There, the big.
I don't know. Oh. Oh, yeah. She picked the big one for me.
Just twist it. Twist the stem. There.
That was a little bit much for my little cutter here. But this will get something to at least start planting this morning. Let me grab a couple more here. And walk down the way here a little bit.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh, I like that. That's thick.
And because they're fresh cut, I like to do the planting right away. And hopefully our rainy season continues a little bit. It's pretty common here for about the first or second week in February for the rain to come to a grinding halt. So I hope it goes much longer this time around, so these get a good root start. Because when the dry season starts, I mean, it's like you draw a line in the sand. One day it's raining and continues to rain. The next day, I mean, and for the next umpteen months, you don't hardly see any rain at all.
There. That's good.
Well, this will definitely give them something to start with here.
There you go.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. Oh, I'm going to step on it all.
Okay.
And that, because Beth wants to plant a row of hedges, and then we're actually digging these up here. And that. And then replanting them along, making a row down by the road also. So it's just part of our stewardship towards the land here, and to make it look nice and to make it be nice for that. So we'll let you go again. Like and subscribe. Thanks for viewing the videos, and you get an idea of what we do here and how we do it in order to beautify our farm and complete the stewardship that both of us believe in, that because you own it, you should be able to take care of it also. So I'll say goodbye for now, and Beth is behind the scenes here and that.
Bye.
Yeah, bye.